Hi guys! So today's video is an unboxing, I guess you could call it, of the PauandAriDesigns summer box. This is like a seasonal mystery type box, and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing what I got in it. This is the very first one, to my knowledge, and I know there will be one this coming autumn. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but like September-ish, I believe there will be another one. So I look forward to that. The first thing in this summer box is a pen. And this looks like it would be inside of a pen. But yeah. It's just a black normal pen in 0.35. Then we have this little bag with a super cute little book in it. Don't come closer, it says on the front, and inside it's just blank. Then we have this little bag, which comes with 2 erasers or rubbers, whichever you use. Super cute. They're like turtles. Then we have a little binder clip with strawberries on it, and 2 of these little guys with washi samples. This is 2 different ones, I believe. So I believe this one is smaller, this is slightly thicker, and this is just a normal washi. Super cute. And then we have this guy, which is Make Shirts Bookmark. Very interesting. And then we have all the little stickers. And here is Once More with Love. These are just little samples. We have Pemberley Prince. This is from Nikki Plus 3. Super cute. I'm not going to take them out of the packaging, sadly, because that's just going to annoy me. This is by Pink Blushing Daisies, I believe. Then we have the Planner's Coffee House. This is Panda Planning. Then we have a bag from All Things Paper. Super cute. Then we have Ella Couture by Jessica Santiago. Super cute. And, oh my. Finally, we have Seaside stickers. And then we have the actual Pau and Ari stickers. There we go. So we have a little cute little guy. If it will focus on it. That is adorable. Then we have the little business card. And a sheet of headers. So it just says to do, today, and lols. We have watermelon full boxes, checklists, I believe bottom washi and little things with some cute little bunting flags or whatever they're called at the bottom. More bottom washi and some decorative half boxes, almost like a weekend banner and sidebar stuff. More full boxes in like a pineapple type theme with flamingos. And a little sheet to go with that with a weekend banner, some half boxes, checklists, today and to-do headers, and decorative. And then finally, we have a little sheet with some information, and I'm not going to show you guys the rest, because on the inside is the actual, like, little order thing. So that is everything for the PauandAri summer box. I will definitely be getting the next one, and I will see you guys very soon again with another video. Till then, have a great day, and bye!